Ever wondered why maintaining kidney health is so important? Let's delve into that. These bean-shaped organs may be small, but they play a huge role in our body. They're the superstars of waste elimination, filtering out toxins, excess salts, and urea. Not just that, kidneys also help regulate blood pressure, control the production of red blood cells, and balance bodily fluids. Maintaining their health is crucial for our overall well-being. So, what can you do to keep your kidneys in top shape? One way is by incorporating certain fruits into your diet. First on our list is the humble apple. Renowned for its health benefits, the apple is a powerful tool for kidney health. Packed with high fiber content, apples aid in reducing the risk of kidney stones. But that's not all. They're also rich in anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe kidneys under stress. So when you're munching on that crisp, juicy apple, remember you're doing your kidneys a favor. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and that includes the nephrologist. Next up, we have berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, each one a small but mighty warrior in the fight for kidney health. These berries are packed with antioxidants, nature's own defense mechanism. These antioxidants wage war against free radicals, those harmful molecules that can cause damage to your kidneys. Imagine them as tiny soldiers, shielding your kidneys from harm. And the taste? Absolutely delightful. So, don't forget to add a handful of berries to your breakfast or snack time. Moving on, we have citrus fruits. Packed with a powerful punch of vitamin C, citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are not just delicious, but also kidney-friendly. This vitamin C acts as a potent antioxidant, warding off harmful free radicals. Moreover, it's been found to prevent the formation of kidney stones by reducing the crystallization of uric acid and calcium oxalate. So why not start your day with a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice or a refreshing lemon water to give your kidneys a boost? Now, let's talk about cherries and pomegranates. These two fruits pack a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health, thanks to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Cherries in particular are a fantastic source of anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two leading contributors to kidney disease. Not to be outdone, pomegranates are brimming with potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect the kidneys from damage and even help alleviate symptoms in those already suffering from kidney disease. Imagine that. These tasty treats doing so much good for your kidneys. But the benefits don't stop there. Both cherries and pomegranates are rich in fiber, which can help your body remove excess toxins, further supporting kidney function. So enjoy some cherries as a snack, or add some pomegranate seeds to your salad for a kidney-friendly diet. Finally, we have watermelon and pineapple. Both of these fruits not only taste fantastic, but they also come with a range of health benefits, particularly for your kidneys. Let's start with watermelon. This juicy fruit is mainly composed of water, about 92%, which assists in flushing out toxins from the kidneys. Its diuretic properties promote urination, which is yet another way toxins are expelled from the body. But that's not the whole story. Moving on to pineapple, it's more than just a tropical delight. Pineapple is known for its bromelain enzyme. This enzyme is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that aids in digestion and reduces inflammation in the kidneys. It's like a personal caretaker for your kidneys, reducing the strain and promoting their health. So, next time you're at the grocery store, remember to pick up these fruits for a kidney cleanse. In conclusion, maintaining kidney health doesn't have to be difficult. Remember the 7 fruits we discussed: apples, berries, citrus fruits, cherries, pomegranates, watermelons, and pineapples. Each of these fruits, packed with nutrients and antioxidants, can contribute to your kidney health. They are not only delicious, but also a powerful tool in your health arsenal. A balanced diet, inclusive of these fruits, is crucial for overall health. So eat well, stay hydrated, and keep your kidneys healthy. Your body will thank you for it.